What's up everybody, Ryan and Jackie here. Today we are doing something spectacular, right?
Absolutely, it's a big day.
So today is July 1st, which means the start of fireworks again. We will be posting this tomorrow morning, so July 2nd we'll be having this up. So we are getting ready to check in. We have rooms at the Grand Floridian,
Yes.
and we are checking in over there. And then we are gonna head over to Magic Kingdom, and we are gonna bring you guys along for a ride for tonight's fireworks event.
Yeah, so because doing what we do, we get some special treatment. We're gonna have a special viewing area, which is gonna be awesome. So we're pretty excited about that.
Hang on 1 second. Gotta go to the special area here. Here we go.
Woo!
Alright, back to you, Jackie. What were you saying?
Yeah, so we're pretty excited. So we'll have that nice viewing area. We'll be able to hang out, see the fireworks, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be magical to see Tinkerbell fly out of the castle again and just feel that Disney magic is back.
Yeah.
So they came back a lot sooner. I was saying after July 4th is what was my guesstimate of when they're gonna come back, because I didn't think they would want the crowds for the 4th of July. But Disney proved me wrong.
Yep. So we are just about to come over to the Grand Floridian now and check into our rooms. So
Lunch / dinner at this point, because
Yeah.
it's like 3:30.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit later. So we are taking you guys along for the ride today and tonight, and there will be a separate video linking the fireworks than this one. So be on the lookout for that video as well. All right, so let's go and have some fun.
So we just passed the Polynesian. So this video is going up the 2nd. So the Polynesian will be open to all guests, not just DVC, July 19th. So you can see some of the work
Let's go over
a little
here.
bit.
Zip around for a second. Come on, adjust ISO. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
So super excited. I love the Polynesian. I've never stayed at it.
I have, but obviously it was before I knew when I was in there, so.
Yeah, so I'm very excited to see the rooms. We've seen the virtual tours and those at this point, the images, what they did for the artist rendering and some preview stuff, but I'm excited to hopefully see the rooms.
Yeah, pretty soon. So, all right, well, look where we are coming up to right now. So here we are coming up on the Grand Floridian
That
here.
is the DVC building.
Coming up, yep. And we are getting ready to check in here. So let's go through security and we will come back to you guys shortly.
We are here at the Grand Floridian, getting ready to go check in. We just mobile ordered some foods because I'm starving, and Gasparilla's takes forever for whatever reason for mobile orders.
Watch it, it won't this time.
I know, right? This time it's gonna be like, oh, your order's ready, but usually it's 30 minutes for food.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the front desk real quick.
Front desk because I snagged the pink glittery magic band yesterday at Disney Springs, and I want that one to be my magic band for this trip. Because I'm extra.
So let's hop on in over here and hopefully we'll get some good news about the rooms being ready. So
yeah, we put in for a 11:30 arrival, and it is now 3:35, so basically almost 4, and it's still not ready.
Yeah, I mean, typical summer crowd, so we'll see. See what happens here, but let's go and find out.
Yeah. So we just checked in and we are going to take a tour of Ryan's room.
My room. All right, so let's go over here.
Let's tap in. Oh wait, yours.
My room.
Duh.
All right, you got it in there. All right.
So this is what, a lagoon view?
This is a lagoon view here. We are in Big Pine Key, so let's go right to the lagoon view for a sec. So you guys can see this. Let me adjust. Okay. So as you can see, we have the wedding pavilion in front of you over here. We have the Polynesian, of course, and then there is the DVC building over there to the right for the Grand Floridian. Oops.
Wow, feel that humidity.
All right, let's close this up here. Cool. So, you want to leave this one off?
Yeah. So you got your Keurig, you got your ice bucket, you got a nice little desk. I like to call this the makeup station. Get ready station. You've got your pull-out sofa, 2 queen beds, I want to say.
Yep, 2 queen beds over here, which is pretty much a standard. Every room,
yeah,
pretty much that I've been in here, except for like one place.
Art Animation did just update theirs to queens, I think last year.
Yeah. If you are staying on the 4th floor, I'm pretty sure, if someone wants to correct me, on the 4th floor at the Grand Floridian, those are where the king beds are. I think the other floors, unless you're staying in like a suite or something else like that, they all have double queens.
And then they also have the tray like ceilings,
yeah,
on the 4th floor.
The 4th floor has like a vaulted,
yeah, vaulted.
So,
got a little
let's go back over
chair. You've got your closet. Of course, your ironing board, all of that good stuff. Extra pillows and blankets. I always take advantage of those.
Some robes in there.
And then I think on this side you have your safe.
I'm saying suite. Safe, duh. And it's actually pretty decent. I can usually fit a lot of my camera stuff in there, so.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, you got your double sinks. I do like at the Grand, they have these little baskets that you can put all your wet towels in, which is really nice. I love that. Otherwise they just pile up on the floor, so I love that feature that they have at the Grand. And then of course you have your shower. They have nice shower heads here, I will say. They're bigger than most.
Bathtub.
Tub, yeah.
All your stuff here.
All your towels.
One of the things too that the Grand still has, they do not have the dispensers yet, I'll say. I don't know if they're going, I'm sure they're probably planning on doing that. But they all have still the individual tubes that they will refill when they come in.
Did the Contemporary have pumps? I want to say they did, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
They did switch over to the pumps, and so did Grand Destino.
Yeah, Grand Destino did. All right, so we are about to head to MK, and well, it's pretty rainy. So we have to wait this one out just a little bit here until we can roll over. But yeah, this is well, we'll see how it goes. All right, we swapped over. We're not on the vlog camera right now. That's all right. We are on the iPhone right now. We are on our way over to MK right now.
What's happening with my hair?
I don't know. I don't know why you have the hood on when you have the umbrella, but okay. We are in.
Here, can you stop making fun of me now?
Okay, good. It's all right. We are on our way over to the monorail right now, and we will see you there. How's it going today? Good.
Have fun.
Thank you.
So we're here. We just got some Starbucks. We were munching on that. They have some desserts and stuff for us to munch on too. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, the rain stays away. We'll go out to the hub grass and we'll be viewing them from there. So
Hope you guys enjoy. We'll show you what the crowd levels right now are pretty decent. There's a lot of people camping out. There's people that have been camping out here for the past 5-6 hours, even throughout the downpours. So we are excited that we're able to also
have shelter.
Right now, yes. The rain is starting to settle down a little bit, which is good. So.
Yeah, so very excited. Just have some munchies, go out and watch fireworks and show all of you.
We will show you how it all looks, so stay tuned.
This is a special drink that they made, and it's a happily ever after pomegranate apple cider. So I'm getting ready to try it. That's really good. And they also had some cute treats. They had macaroons with fireworks on them, brownies, and chocolate covered strawberries that say happily ever after. So very excited to try these. And that was amazing. So this makes me excited that hopefully there'll be dessert parties coming back soon.
Alright, we are over here at Tomorrowland Terrace. We are trying to make a decision now if we are going to go out to the hub grass where we have a special section, or if we're going to stay over here. Don't know what we're going to do. We're going to attempt to go out there.
We're going to go like test and see how it's going to go as far as like if it's raining too hard or whatever. So we'll see what happens. I hope that we can hopefully go over there.
It's still raining out, yeah.
But we've got about 20 minutes or so until fireworks. So.
All right, well, let's see what happens.
Being at Happily Ever After in the Magic Kingdom. It was so great. We got to see all the action there. It was awesome. It was so good to see it. Sad Tinkerbell didn't fly because it was too rainy, but it was a really good night. Luckily, we were by Tomorrowland Terrace, so we had some coverage there. We had some technical difficulties.
Well, we decided because it was just so packed with everyone.
It was very busy. For whatever reason, the way they had the hub grass area set up, one side was for media and one side was for Club 33. Unfortunately, they had Club 33 closest to where the media event was, so by the time we went to leave there to go set up, it was way too, it was so busy.
It was getting too close to time and we didn't want to miss out the coverage. Which the video is actually already live because I'm going to do that actually right now before this video gets live tomorrow.
Well, yeah,
which will be today.
We had some technical difficulties with some gimbals there for our live video.
It sometimes just happens, you know, you never can control that. But
can't control things.
It's okay. So sorry for our live viewers that are watching it live. We did get it back, but we missed about maybe 2 minutes of it. So
yeah, we got up as quickly as we could.
But the better video
problems.
Yeah, the better video though will be the one that I am posting tonight, which is July 1st. You'll see this on July 2nd, but that will be live now. So
it was a good night. But we hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, and to actually, so this is being put out tomorrow. So tonight we are at Epcot, and be on the lookout for that video next day.
And another vlog.
Exactly.
So all sorts of fun stuff.
All right, well,
Bye,
enjoy.
guys.
We'll talk to you guys soon.